UI UX with ChatGPT, and this is $5,000 worth value information I'm going to share with you. Technically, people have 11 years of experience, but still they are unable to make that kind of information in UI UX design practices, and not able to actually manage proper like SaaS business model products, because that require a lot of documentation in design system, that require a proper engineering in UI UX. Even a simple login form, you need to do a lot of research about edge cases and plenty of things. But now ChatGPT solves these things, and it's really worth of, I would say, $5,000 or $10,000, because companies is spending a lot of money for these type of experienced people, and now which you have opportunity to avail this kind of tool to help you in your profession, and you can create a better product than before. So let's get started. So first design tool, I would like to say, create a checklist for a UI element for a perfect screen in a table view. Okay, so like I would say create a checklist for a perfect login form. Create a checklist for perfect login form in table format. Is for UI login for, okay. Password. So like this is the checklist. Like if you create a login form, you need a checklist. Okay, clear, simple design, label, error handling, password requirement, remember me option, forget password. Do you need captcha because bots can sign up or try to log in? Responsive design, SSL encryption needed, user-friendly error message, social media options needed. Like these days, people are going to log in through Gmail or Facebook account. So if you know all these elements, you are experienced UI UX designer or front-end developer. Otherwise, people just create a login page with the login field, user ID and password without error cases like forget password and captcha, this and that. If you know this thing, you are experienced. So like this checklist I just generated in this UX industry, people having 10 years of experience, and they are charging thousands of dollars when you give a like project to them. So let's see the another option. Okay, so let's say I would like to create a app for these days, like let's say 8 March was. So like I can say like let's create a social media app for women, but I need a user flow. Normally in big companies, and now every companies, when you would like to develop a project, they want the development flow, design flow. But before design, even there is a user journey or user flow. It's important because all the design and development according to that, how user going to travel to your app or use the app, the whole design steps. So let me create, can you create a user flow for women social media app? So now see, now this is it's writing for you. Let me show you how the user flow looks like. UX user flow. Okay, I open this thing. Engineering tab. Try for free. Like people submit the button, sign up with Google or create an account, add blah 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 blah, and it creates for you. User land to the app, click on the sign up button. If user sign in, it will be taken to the registration form. After sign up, the user can explore different topics. User can follow the other user page and receive. Like you just need to give your idea about your app. It will create a professional user flow, which gives you a quick hand knowledge that how the design system works, how the UI UX system works. Whatever you think it's not something you need to go through a research and proper flow and research documentation. But through Chat GPT, this is opportunity right now, you guys, to compete in the market quickly by utilizing this tool and to portray yourself in a very professional manner and very organized way. So let's go to the another example to polish your current UI UX skill. Write a design system documentation for a UI elements represent in a table with the states of like, default, click, hover, active focus, and disable button with design tokens. Okay, so let's say I'm going to write a design system documentation and table representation which express active, default, hover, focus, disable states with design token, color, fonts, and colors here. Color. How amazing this is, right? You can clearly see you are making a documentation quickly, clearly, and I can show you how complex this thing which you'd spend design system documentation. See, which one is more clear? New tab. Okay, so you need to write everything like primary color, like active states, and everything you need to, because this is in the UI. But when you create a design system documentation like this, like the page website, you need to put all the information in detail, how it looks like. And now it's writing for you properly, like text color, font family, font size. And can you write this document design system documentation for social media for women? So now it will write a color according to the app, which can be primary, tertiary colors, because I give just these attributes. But if I will put more prompts and more information, it can create more documentation in detail. So now it was a good example about our UI UX practices and quick prompts which can help us to create quickly design systems and like different tables of information related to user flow, user journey, and which we just did in few minutes. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and there are more lot to come, and enjoy it. Thank you so much.